good time at the pub we just had. Man, do you want to grab us a drink and I'll just make myself at home?
Yeah, cheers.
Hey, this is a nice place you got here.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, do you hear some kind of fluttering or something?
No, I don't.
Oh man! Oh, I'm getting attacked by some kind of killer bird. Oh.
Gareth, look, I've only got the one beer, but...
Chino, I don't think I can make it through the night.
Oh no, what can I do?
You can give me some beer.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll stay with you, Gareth, all through this night.
Oh man, Chino, that was one heck of a rough night. What's going on?
Well, you were attacked by a psycho bird of some kind. And I looked it up on the internet. I found out that it was a GM mutated, modified, weird kind of kiwi bird from Australia.
Whoa. Hey, you know, that's strange, because I feel like I've been overcome with some kind of bird power.
Wow! I reckon I can do that too. Oh! So maybe I can't do that. Oh. At least I found this trusty sword.
So Chino and Gareth turned into Superbird and his sidekick, the Blue Tit. Superbird
And Blue Tit.
off to save the world again. Gonna save the world. Yeah! So, the Blue Tit. Now that we've got these super heroic powers, what do you think we could do with them? Use them for good?
Or evil.
Or evil, yes. I'm thinking we could save some serious people here. Because you know, after all, with great power comes, you know what? A huge penis! Yeah!
That man picked me over and the guinea pig's up in my tree.
Guinea pig, eh? It sounds like just the problem for Bird Boy. Superbird
And Blue Tit.
I found your guinea pig for you, little girl. Now, off to my next adventure. Huh, who'd have thought I'd push that little girl over and forget to steal her purse?
Stop!
What are you doing here, weirdo?
I'm no weirdo. I'm the Blue Tit. And I'm here to stop you because we're saving her guinea pig from the tree. Huh? Oh! Oh no!
That's right, Tit Boy. What are you gonna do about it?
I'll use this handy sword that I found when I thought that I could fly and found that I couldn't, and I'll stab you.
How did you know swords were my only weakness?
Well, I didn't actually. I was just lucky.
So, Tit Boy, that was a good day's saving.
Yeah!
Although, it appears to be our arch nemesis, the cat.
Meow. Yes, I'm the cat. And I'm coming to get you now. Cat powers!
Oh no! My superpower enlarged penis. She hit it full on with her secret cat powers. I fear I may not last the night.
The Blue Tit. What can I do? Wait a second. My trusty string.
Strings!
Away! Ah! And that's the end of that chapter. Oh, Chino. I've got to somehow use my powers to revive you. Oh, Chino.
Man, that felt good.
I'm so glad you're better. Quick, away! Super Bird
And Blue Tit.
off to save the world again. Gonna save the world. Yeah!